So this is the problem I was talking about with my truck. I got the driver door open, radio key is out of the ignition, the truck is off. I can open and close the driver door. The radio shut off, but I still have music coming out of the radio. The door's off, the truck's off. This is supposed to turn the music off. The key is in the off position. Cycle it, open it. Now that was the end of the song, so let's see if another song starts. Another song started. I literally, here, watch. I'll cycle the key on. Key's on. I can start the truck. I also, when the key's running, when the truck's running, have no volume control. This doesn't do anything. And the steering wheel buttons, they don't do anything on the screen. It usually shows right there. Of course, now it's not working. So now I have no music. So I have the opposite problem now. And I have no music. I have no volume. Let's try the radio. Tune the FM. It won't even tune the FM. These are stations. You know, this is 88.7. Let's try. Go back to the radio. Browse. All it wants to show me is some song that's coming from my phone. If I unplug my phone from the USB port, plug it back in, still have no FM radio, and this has been the problem since I first bought the truck back in, this has happened about 5 different times. So I have no music at all. So just plug my iPhone back in, play some music. It's playing, but I have no volume control, and no volume control here, and I have no FM radio. I click it and it should take over, but it's like stuck in iPod, and I want to go to the FM or hit radio button. Radio button doesn't do anything. This should take me back to the radio. This is the radio button here. Radio, media. Media would take you to the CD. I don't have that plugged in right now. Let's unplug the phone. FM, nothing. This is the problem I've had with my truck 5 or 6 times now, probably 4 or 5 times, I don't know. No music, no nothing. Fix it.